how to make mac and cheese. Join me, and I will share with you the easy way. 2 cups fresh milk, or you can use evaporated milk. 400 grams macaroni. Medium heat. Bring to boil. Stir occasionally to prevent the macaroni from sticking to the pot. Let's add quick melt cheese or any cheese, but it's better if we use quick melt. Add 2 tablespoons cheese powder to enhance color of our mac and cheese, but this is optional. Ready to serve. Hope you like our recipe for today. Please comment down below how you also do your mac and cheese. And please do me a big favor. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And turn on the notification bell for you to be updated every time we have a new video. It will be a big help for our channel. Thank you. Until next time, bye.